Making his way to the ring from Germany, weighing in at 226 pounds, the Psycho.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for one-on-one action.
And Michael, it sounds to me like this crowd already picked the one who they want to win this match.
Get out of the booth, take off your headset, leave, because the Miz can't stand nerds.
And his opponent from Cleveland, Ohio, weighing in at 231
Now look at this.
pounds,
Here we go.
the Miz.
He's the greatest man on the planet. He has to put up with Daniel Bryan. He does a great job with that. He's accomplished everything in his career. Reality television. We knew it wouldn't make it to the ring.
Boom! You gotta believe this one's over.
Lariat. Oh, clothesline. The Miz looking a little startled right now.
This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body of his. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
I know it's early, but if things stay the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him. Boom! Harsh impact.
Table in play.
Shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
The Miz looking a little bit shaken.
But he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound.
Yeah, he's taking on some offense here, but that's to be expected, especially considering who he's in the ring with.
Nailed it. Nicely done. Oh, a little shove.
What does the Miz have to do at this point to stay in this match? I'm not sure how much more he has to give.
If he wants to win this thing, he's going to need to make some changes here. There's no way he can stay in this match if he doesn't find a way to fend off this attack.
You know, I thought this match was going to be much more tightly contested. I guess that's not the case, though. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Boom! Boom, what impact!
A disrespectful shove there. Great effort, but he'd better save something for later in the match.
Look at this! Miz!
Neck breaker!
That could be it. Talk about taking care of business.
It's worth noting that an amazing 8 Great American Bash pay-per-views took place in this great city of Baltimore.
Beautiful technique.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Kick back, relax, and enjoy your Monday night with some great WWE action.
Taste the bomb!
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Jeez, I felt that one over here.
So much history here in Baltimore. In fact, it was in this city that superstar Billy Graham defeated Bruno Sammartino for the WWE Championship back in April 1977. It's worth noting that an amazing 8 Great American Bash pay-per-views took place in this great city of Baltimore. These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win.
Skull-crushing finale. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup. He's getting roughed up pretty bad here. There's a good chance he can't recover from this.
WWE.com.
Look out! Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
Side slam! An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what impact!
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
This might be it!
Oh my. I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
I'll tell you what, this is one they'll be talking about tomorrow at work or school, that's for sure. Oh, what a slam!
Given their performances tonight, it's too bad one of these...
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
When this guy's on, look out.
Uh-oh, here we go, here we go!
What a brutal...
Ooh, neck breaker. Never underestimate the Miz's awesomeness.
The mood has definitely changed inside this arena.
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win? Shoulder tackle!
Ooh, nasty impact.
You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
Harsh impact! Oh!
I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Boom!
You can see the wear and tear that this fight is taking out of these men.
Spine buster. Could lead to a big-time win.
This one is over.
This has been a battle. Oh, come on! How can this be legal?
This could lead to a disqualification quick.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it.
Great effort, but he'd better save something for later in the match.
Not on the desk, are you kidding me?
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
This is the Miz's chance.
I think we know what this is.
Breaking the rules.
This has been a war.
The Miz was able to get out of the way there.
Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys.
So much force there.
What impact.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take, guys. You'd have to think something's got to give here soon.
Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys.
I don't know about you guys, but it looks to me like these superstars are on their last legs here.
Looks to me like these superstars are running on fumes right about now.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Both of these superstars looking a little worse for wear right now.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys. Impactful slam.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
I don't know about you guys, but it looks to me like these superstars are on their last legs here.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
Axe handle finds its target.
He has him right where he wants him.
And see.
Skull-crushing finale.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Wow, let's see that again.
Man, he is simply a walking highlight reel.
2, 3. Oh my God, he's done it. He's done it.
Here is your winner, The Bear Walker.
The Miz wins here in impressive fashion.
Hey, they both gave it their all, but in the end, we were left with the best man standing.
And that's yet another great match the city of Baltimore has hosted over the years.